Hello viewers, thank you for joining today's video. I'm going to be talking about the Metaverse. I did a poll recently and over 60% of you said you do know what the Metaverse is. The other 40% said you don't know. And I'm sure the ones that do know, you don't know everything and you would like to know more. So hopefully I'm going to be able to kind of summarize things here and maybe make you more aware of a few things. So the Metaverse, for that you don't know, it's a virtual augmented reality. What this means, essentially, is in the future, you will be able to, instead of having a meeting with your family over Zoom, you'll be able to put on a headset, they'll be able to scan the room that they are in, and then you will be able to enter the same room where they are, the living room with everything how it is, and you'll be able to just have a conversation with them and interact with them. So that's a form of metaverse that is coming to us. Another form of metaverse that already exists, and this is like really crazy when I found it out, but Mark Zuckerberg, he already has all his meetings when he can't physically be there in the metaverse, in the virtual world. He puts on his headset and he has a meeting, which means he can pick up like this pen, for example, start drawing on a virtual board here. So he does like an A, and then on that board in the virtual world there's an A. So does that make sense? So it's completely going to change our world. And if you think about already what's happened since COVID-19, we have all started living and working remotely and in different locations. We don't have to go to the office. So what this is going to essentially do is it's going to change a lot of things. So in the future you will be able to have meetings in the virtual world, not just looking at each other through your laptop. You will actually be able to have your headset on and have the full interactive experience. So that's what is coming. And if you think about it, already there's a lot of things that are going to assist with that process. So one of the pieces of the process, I'll just cover it quickly, 5G. 5G technology allows huge parcels of data to be sent almost instantaneously, quickly, right? So that is going to work alongside with the virtual world that is coming, the metaverse. They work together, yeah? And then the other part that's going to assist with that, and I think really push the developments, is in crypto. So in crypto, we have had the whole NFT thing. We've literally had virtual rocks selling for millions of dollars. Do I personally think that is a good investment? No, I don't think that's a good investment. I'd like to invest on things based on principle that have got a long-term potential rather than speculation. And right now in crypto, with NFTs, we have seen some amazing developments. So for example, we know Mana, which is Decentraland, which is this virtual metaverse where you can go and interact with people. You can buy virtual land, you can rent virtual land, and then that virtual land can be bought by advertisers. So it's a form of income. That's already being developed right now. So I think with the blockchain, smart contracts, NFTs, and what Mark Zuckerberg wants to do, which he has rebranded Facebook into Meta, which is going to be the metaverse, and Facebook has access to billions of people. It's a huge audience. This is a huge change that is coming. There's going to be a lot of opportunity if you are in it and you can know how to take advantage from it. And perhaps there will also be quite a few bad things that will come. But anyway, I can go into that into another video. Today I just wanted to cover briefly what is the metaverse and who's assisting it, which is Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook, no longer Facebook. They're going to be called Meta. You can write down in the comment section below if you think this is a good thing or a bad thing that is going to come to our lives. And in future videos, I'm going to go into more depth, how we can make a profit from it and how we can be involved in it. It's something that I'm personally involved and financially involved, because I do think for me, it's very exciting. It's a very, very exciting topic. And if you like this video, you can always subscribe, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that, and I'll notify you in the future of new videos. Take care.